Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Awesome Learning, and this is the second part of the video urine formation from the chapter excretory products and their eliminations. And let's begin with the reabsorption part. Now we have already done the glomerular filtration part. Now as you see in your NCERT children, a comparison of the volume of the filtrate formed per day, that is how much it should be, 180 liters per day, with that of urine released, which is how much, only 1.5 liters, suggests that 99% of the filtrate has been reabsorbed, which we had done. I gave a little bit of introduction in the previous video also about the reabsorption. So how much is our GFR? The GFR released by a normal healthy person is 180 liters per day. But the urine released by him or her is 1.5 liters. That means 178.5 liters have been reabsorbed by the renal tubule or by the kidneys, and this process is known as reabsorption. Children, the tubular epithelial cells in different segments of nephron perform this either by active or passive mechanism. Now, very important line, बच्चों, the nephron, the tubular portion of nephron, if you remember, what is the tubular portion of nephron? It is divided into four parts: PCT, Henle's loop, DCT, and collecting duct. And we also know that the first layer of every organ of the body is lined by cells called epithelial cells. This you have done in class 9th also, if you remember. So the first layer of cell is epithelial cells in every organ of the body. So even the nephron has epithelial cells as their first layer. So the tubular epithelial cells in different segments of nephron, like the epithelial cells of PCT, or the epithelial cells of Henle's loop, or the epithelial cells of DCT, or the epithelial cells of collecting duct, they are responsible for performing the function of reabsorption. Now, reabsorption is done in two ways, either active or passive. If reabsorption takes place with the expenditure of energy, यानी एनर्जी खर्च करके अगर रीअब्जॉर्प्शन हुई है, that is called active reabsorption. But if reabsorption takes place passively, बिना एनर्जी खर्चे, कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट के हिसाब से, जैसे डिफ्यूजन होता है, then that is called passive reabsorption. So children, substances like glucose, amino acids, sodium, etc. in the filtrate are reabsorbed actively. These things are reabsorbed actively. That means energy is expended. यानी इन चीज़ों को रीअब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए एनर्जी खर्चनी पड़ेगी, बिना एनर्जी खर्चे ये वाली चीज़ें एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होंगी. लेकिन नाइट्रोजीनियस वेस्ट जो है वो एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए हमें कोई एनर्जी खर्चने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो पैसिवली हो जाएगा, सिंपली लाइक डिफ्यूजन. सो रीअब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस पैसिवली. इवन वाटर भी जो है उसके लिए भी एनर्जी खर्चने की जरूरत नहीं है, पैसिवली रीअब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा इन द इनिशियल सेगमेंट्स ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. इनिशियल मींस नेफ्रॉन के स्टार्टिंग में ही वाटर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा पैसिवली. So this is all about reabsorption. Let me show you here. This we have already done. Okay, now let me show you in the diagram, children. This is our nephron. This is the cortex region of the kidney. Medulla is again divided into two parts, outer medulla and inner medulla. अब आप देखो, हमारी जो किडनी का मैल्फिजियन बॉडी है प्लस पीसीटी है और डीसीटी, ये सब कॉर्टेक्स एरिया में है, ठीक है। एंड जो रेड एरोज है दे शो कि फिल्टरेट में से चीजें बाहर जा रही हैं, ठीक है, फिल्ट्रेट में से चीजें बाहर जा रही हैं, अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन सी। तो क्या क्या चीजें हैं, NaCl, nutrients, you can see. Similarly here on the DCT part, so things are getting reabsorbed. Excuse me. Now you can see here also, these things I have already discussed with you, so I am not going to say again and again the same things about reabsorption. Yeah, now PCT reabsorbs most of the nutrients. See, PCT, ये फर्स्ट पोर्शन जो है PCT है, और मैक्सिमम चीजें, मैक्सिमम न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय PCT। 70 to 80% ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो बाइकार्बोनेट, सोडियम क्लोराइड, ये सारे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, पोटाशियम, ठीक है, 70 to 80% ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, और वाटर भी जो है वो रीअब्सॉर्ब हो रहा है, यू कैन सी। सिंपल क्यूबॉइडल ब्रश बॉर्डर एपिथेलियम ऑफ पीसीटी इंक्रीजेस सरफेस एरिया। तो पीसीटी में कौन से एपिथेलियल सेल्स हैं बेटा, क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम, जिन पे ब्रश भी है, सीलिया भी है, and because of this brush border, because of the cilia, the surface area increases for reabsorption.